everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I am back. I need my Wednesday shirt. It's actually kind of warm today. I put a tank top on. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have a Bath & Body Works coupon. Thank you so much to my girlfriend. I didn't get one, but my girlfriend brought one over. I'm so excited to have the Bath & Body Works Halloween coupon. We're going to talk about this, but first, I want to talk about the app reward upgrade. So this morning, I went on the Bath & Body Works app, and there was a pop-up, and it said you need to upgrade. And apparently you need to upgrade in order to keep seeing the photos and to use the app. I think I have a newer iPhone. I think I'm just on automatic update because when I hit upgrade, it just went to the app and everything looked okay. So I'm going to keep an eye on it to make sure everything is upgraded, but definitely check your phone because you want to make sure you're still getting all of the app news and the photos and everything. So keep an eye on that. And then, yeah, Coco's like, yeah. You know, it's funny. I think Lasership just got here. I don't know. I saw a car drive by. I'm like, did I get some Bath & Body Works? I'll have to check. But check out this new coupon. Something Enchanted Awaits. It's back. And then it says, sink your teeth into something spooky. This is a really good one, too. So I'm going to open this one up. So it says, cast a fragrance spell. Look what they have in here, though. They have the snake wrap. Where is this thing? I got to get into the store because I have not seen this yet. I want one. I want the snake wrap. It's really frustrating that we can't all get a hold of that. And then we have a nice set of coupons right here. A full-size body care item. $11 3-wick and then 20% offs. And it looks like the full-size body care use now. It's a $16.95 value. 20% off goes until August 27th, which is probably when they're going to be switching the floor sets. The $11 3-wick is used now until August 27th. And then the 20% off goes from August 28th to October 1st. I'm like, October 1st? Are we there yet for October 1st? I am just like stunned. And then on the back, they're talking about the Chasing Fireflies. I still want to get the Chasing Fireflies in the mist. The perfume. That's kind of on my list to get. I want to get that. Also today, we've got the buy 3, get 3 going on the body care. Not the best deal, but if you're shopping, you have a 20% off coupon, it's okay. But I would certainly wait for a new sale. I think tomorrow we are getting a 10 off candles, which isn't good. That's not a good deal, but a lot of people probably take advantage of the candles. And then I think we're supposed to be getting some more sales this weekend. As they roll in, I will be talking about them, but we are definitely gearing up towards fall at Bath & Body Works. A lot of stuff's going to be happening really quickly in terms of new stuff, sales. The other thing that you can do is in your wallet, check on your offer tab. A lot of people, they're still getting used to the new app. If you click on offers, you can also see what's going on here. Because what's interesting is on the website, the top offers used to be like right there. I like that. Because I always use my desktop. They used to be right there. Now I'm starting to use the app a little bit more because they took them off the front page of the desktop. So I'm seeing buy 3, get 3 on body care, 5 for $27 hand soap. Wait for a hand soap sale. $12 on the Moxie gummies, 5 for $27 on the wallflowers, 2 for $24 on the single wicks. I hope you bought your single wicks yesterday because today they're $11. Oh no, $12. $2 for $16 on the concentrated room sprays. Buy 3, get 1 on the travel and lip care, and $8 for the 5-pack of the hand sanitizer. So like I said, if you go into offers on your can't see this unfortunately, on your tab, you're going to see everything. And if they happen to load a 20% off coupon, I haven't had one in a really long time. You'll see it there. There's a gift card tab. And then there's your rewards are all kind of lined up in there. I have 4 rewards, which I'm excited about because I want to use those when the new body care starts to roll in. So let me know if you got one of these. I don't know. It was super exciting seeing the Halloween coupon today. I was like, yay, Halloween! Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And I got more. I got my Kringle Candle Halloween candles today. I'm so excited. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.